What's up, my little writers? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. You guys, I am so tired today. It is Tuesday morning. What time is it? It is 9:54. No, 9:54. And yeah, I just got back from the store, picking my mother-in-law up from dialysis. And Tuesday's usually my day that I do all that stuff anyway. But let me show you guys what I got from the store. I got my salmon and my bagels and my red onions so I can make my Nova lox. I got my bread, my eggs, lettuce, tomatoes, because I'm going to make tacos today. It is Tuesday. Bacon. I got the smoked salmon. Philadelphia cream cheese for my bagel, strawberries and bananas, and yogurt for my parfait. And I have to cut this watermelon up. I didn't eat much from the store this week. I never really do, but that's what I got. And I may be back to show y'all how I make my tacos. What's up, my lowriders? I am back, you guys. I thought I was gonna make burgers, but I'm making tacos tonight. So yeah, chopping everything up and got the meat going already. For sure. This thing. I seasoned it a little bit, you guys, because I'm putting the taco seasoning mix in it, so I don't put a lot of other stuff in it. It'll be salty. So yeah, let me see if I can put y'all out right now. About to chop these up, not chop them up, cut them up. I love green onions. I think I picked the ugly batch today. But guess what? They're gonna get cut up for sure. I could use a knife, but this is easier. Using the green onions. I'll show you guys what I'm putting them in after I chop this tomato up. Where the knife go? Where the knife go? Where did the knife go? Here. And I use part of this tomato for my Nova lox bagel this morning. I only got one tomato, but that's cool because it's only me today. My husband's still out of town. And I invited my son over for my son's over for tacos, and both of them already cooked, and one of them cooked tacos. So I guess dry my hair so I can I still have my little thing down here. This is the thing that I use. I'm gonna put the sour cream in here. And then I'm gonna get the sour cream out. Should be enough. I'll put that sour cream right there. I'm not gonna squeeze it in there. Take this right here. I'm gonna come back, you guys, when the tacos are done. Because I left my camera upstairs and I ain't going up there. Y'all see I'm upstairs? Can't do it right now. Can't do it. Okay, guys, I took the meat out the pot. Draining it. And now I have a little bit of water in the pan. And I'm putting the taco seasoning mix in. This is kind of I use 50% less sodium. Now I'm gonna stir this up. And then I'm gonna put the meat back in it. I'm gonna get a paper towel or a paper plate to sit this thing on. This is what I do. Take some meat out, put it in there. Actually, I'm just gonna pick this thing up. Hopefully, it don't go all over the place like it does sometimes. I'm gonna stir that up first. And sometimes I don't even use up all the ground beef. I just freeze it, and then when I want tacos again, but I know I'm gonna need more because I can tell by the color of it that it will be too soft, salty if I don't add more meat. And let me finish doing this. I'll be back. Now, you guys, I'm about to make the tortillas. Don't say nothing about this skillet because this is my favorite skillet. Because it cooks everything perfectly. Eggs, tortillas, and that's what I'm about to cook now. So don't say a dang on thing about this. Meat is done. Everything that goes to the tacos is done. And let me see, what can I drink? What can I drink? I think here I got this right here. I can drink this. Drink this with my tacos. Yep, that'll go good. That will go good. And I still need to cut this watermelon up, you guys. Don't worry about these dishes. They're gonna get done. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. I'll cut him up for sure. Why am I rearranging this fruit? Y'all don't care about this fruit, do you? No, you don't. No, you don't. Y'all had some fake ones in there at one time. I know y'all seen it. It has something to say. You're one of these lemons because I usually put lemon juice on my tacos. Now I'm gonna get off while I'm doing this because I ain't trying to burn myself trying to show you how I make some dang on shells.
You just tell me. I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been before. If you let your guard down, baby, That's what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I will love to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Baby, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride. Wanna be. I wanna give our love away. So you're not letting me, yeah, get through to you.